Hey, good evening, everyone. So first of all, by looking at the table, right? In the table, you can, if we want to, if we don't want some, we can hide the columns because now we have. So I still did not publish it, but we'll publish the changes later because all we are looking is this duration column, which is the last one. So whenever you receive an alert, this also says buy. If you receive a buy signal, then that's a good opportunity. Or if you receive a sell signal for NKD, table also tells the same thing, then that's the best opportunity. So, for example, crude oil. So here it is telling to wait. So we can ignore that crude oil, natural gas. But even this was at around 748. Natural gas is very, very bullish. That would have been a nice opportunity with natural gas. So we'll just wait for the alerts. Whenever we receive an alert, you have to just look at the table. Mainly look at this one. And if you want, even I can hide everything else. So we got a buy signal for UB. Alright, alert we got a strong buy. And then table also has a buy. The volume will be less, but still we can take it. In taking a long on UB. Or wait, they are also looking good. Cornet is telling buy. Wheat is buy. We got a buy signal with T5. I'm taking a long with corn. So I kept a limit orders for corn and also for wheat and also for UB. These are very slow moving tickers. Wheat it got filled. UB I will wait for it to come down. We got a strong buy. So I kept the limit orders for corn, ZC. Then I took some buy orders on wheat because we got a buy signal and also table also shows buy. So corn, wheat, soybean, all are looking bullish. Natural gas is bullish. NKD is bearish. To trade these small, slow-moving tickers, but just showing as example. Sometimes if you don't have any opportunities here, then you can take advantage of these ones. We also bought corn. The limit order got filled at 411. In KD, we got a sell signal here, so we can go and take a shot. Because table also showing sell. Here also we got a sell. So I took short on NKD. So we have long on V, con, and short on NKD now. So the average is 42,680. The support is at around 645. We can put some buy orders here. So all these commodities they move very very slow. So even if they make $50 with 4 5 accounts, you'll make $250. So if you are getting buy here, that means it is very strong setup. So corn, wheat, soybean, we kept a limit order for soybean. Corn, one order got filled. Take copper. So we have ZC, which is corn. And then we have soybean long, that is making profits already. And then we did not take soybean means copper. We took copper is going good. Copper is a buy. We got a strong buy signal. So it is quickly moving up. I put my sell orders here. I took some small profits on corn, nearly $50. We bought here, we sold here. Alright. So by looking at this, you know which tickers to focus. Corn, wheat, soybean, copper, natural gas. All are good long opportunities. NKD is the short opportunity. And huge move on copper. Taking long on gold. You also should start moving now. We have corn long, wheat long, soybean long. We have NKD short, copper long, natural gas long, and a GC long. We'll take profit on this one on copper. Profit on the corn. These are more new buyers. We'll just close this soybean. Right, I'm expecting silver and gold to become green again because till last few minutes they were green. They were in buying. Now there was a pullback. So They're in wait stage, but again they should go up. So that's why, because of that, I took a buy on silver, even though here it says wait. We took the profits. So we took profits on corn. We took it on soybean. We took it on copper. We took it on wheat. We are holding GC. GC is also moving good. So GC is buy, copper is buy, silver also will get a buy, but Yeah, Raj, please go ahead. Any questions?
Yeah, hello, Kishore garu. I joined late, Andy. This buy weight column, is there something I have to add? I tried to delete the indicator and add the indicator, and
No, I
that
did
column.
not publish it yet. Just I'm testing it.
Oh, okay. And the second question I want to ask is, to save real estate, is it possible to display this panel on the T5 column? I mean, on the T5 real estate?
No, you cannot do.
Is it possible or it is not possible?
No, it's not possible.
Oh, it is not possible. Okay.
But you are using very small window, right? You can hide everything, all the columns.
Right.
Once I publish the changes, you can
Okay.
hide everything because based on all these things, it is telling whether you can go ahead and buy or not.
Right. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, copper. We took profits of copper one more time. GC, we took profits. And then in KD, we need to wait for some time. Yes, do you have any questions?
Yes, Kishore. Kishore, my MTF indicator it does not seem to be working. I tried deleting it, re-adding it, MTF futures indicator.
You
It's
have to be on a future sticker and then you have to only enable any five. If you have a trading view, don't check all eight symbols. Check only four or five.
oh, it's a limitation of only five, is it?
Again, right? With a pro plan, you can do all eight. But if you have a any other essential or premium like that, then better you do only five.
I think I got the premium plan.
Yeah, you try with five. If it works, then add a one more and check if it is working. So
Okay.
based on the plan, they will give you how much data you can load like that.
Okay, because it
So
was
yeah,
working till before, um, till a
Mm.
couple of days back, but it stopped working. So I have now enabled five, and yet it doesn't seem to be working.
Are you on a future sticker?
Yes, futures, the same one that you have provided.
Then are you using any futures? You have to
Yes,
be on a future sticker.
yes, I'm on a future sticker here. I'm on GC and NQ. I can
I'm
share my
checking.
screen for. a quick minute if you have time.
Yeah, just a minute. Once we close this GC. Yes, Sanjay, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, there is a similar question on the MTFF scanner, right?
Mhm.
I have a premium plan with I have premium plan with the Trading View.
Great.
I can
Mhm.
only see five, not the sixth. As soon as I add the sixth one, it will just disappear. The table will disappear.
Right, yeah. Because based on the plan, they will give you certain performance. I have a pro plan, so I am able to do all the eight. For
Mhm.
premium, they will give some few seconds to load the data. Within that time, if the data is not loading, then they will show an error. So yeah, if you want all the eight, or you add the indicator one more time, and then you change the tickets.
Ah, okay, got it. Got it. Yeah, that's the good workaround. Um, what question I had? I think that's the only question we had for now. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, PG, do you have any questions?
Yes, Kishore Garu. A couple of things. I set up Replicanto and I'm having some issues. When I try to cancel on the primary account, it's not getting canceled on the follower.
Yeah, tomorrow you can join the setup session. I can see you.
Okay,
The setup why it is happening.
okay. And
Mm.
other thing is that probably tomorrow I'll ask that because that's again replicant related. And this MTFF again today I saw it a lot of times. It was just in error state, but you explained that right now. So that was the only questions that I had. Thank you.
Yeah, Naveen, do you have any questions?
Yeah, okay, sure. So for the futures, the daily entry values that you are sharing that we are updating in the tool, the futures, the day starts like evening 5 p.m. CST to the next day 4 p.m., right? So how should these day values be picked up? Like, should we do in the morning or should we do in the evening?
Yeah, you have to do in the morning because based on Europe, all those things, volumes, the levels for US will be shared. So basically, yeah, whatever I share in the morning, you can use that for the entire day.
For this session also
Right.
until next morning. Okay. Okay. I was wondering like how the day is considered. Thanks, Kisha.
A, do you have any questions?
Hey Kishore, on the if this MTFF, right? So we have to paste those the
Right.
levels which you sent, right? Here as well, right?
Right.
MTFF,
Yeah.
and same
Yeah.
goes for the stock.
Yeah.
Okay, so every day basically two indicators we have to paste,
Right.
right? For futures two and then stocks two.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, okay, got it. And yeah, I'm thinking to do it like a 6 months thing. So 6 months we get one indicator like
Mhm.
plus one, right? Like five indicators basically. If we
Instead of
go
three,
for
you
six
get
months.
four. Yeah. If you get five, you get six. Yeah. So
Right,
yeah,
right.
you will get one indicator extra with a 6 months plan.
Okay, year we get two.
Right.
Okay.
Kishore Garu, can you hear me?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, quick question on the learning question here. You're still holding GC here while it's already down by maybe 410 and bouncing around.
Because overall it is very, very bullish, right? So it just did a pullback.
Is it still,
Still,
yeah, on the
yeah,
pullback, it is still a buy? Let's say,
yeah, it is still a buy. Still, you have a nice gap. Still, there is a lot of space to go to the top.
okay,
So it can go up again all the way.
okay,
So again, it depends, right? If you have a 50K account, then yeah, don't take 2, 3 contracts. You go with just maximum one contract.
okay,
If I have 150K and I already made huge profit, so I'm okay to take risk until here. Even
okay.
if it breaks this, I'm okay too. So based on all those things,
Got it. Got it.
but
Thank you.
yeah, as of now, GC is still a buy. There is still potential for it to go all the way to 3480 or more. So just a pullback, right? Price will never go in one way. It went all the way up, pull back, went up, pull back, went up, pull back. So always you have those pullbacks. Whenever it goes away from the line, it will come touch the line and again go up. So as long as this is green, we can keep holding it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Mm. Mm, yeah, Rajan, do you have any questions?
Yeah, so I saw some notification this afternoon on the decision indicator, the buy. Should we add the MTF to get this, or how does it work?
Yeah, I'll publish the changes. I want to demonstrate first, and then I'll publish and
Okay, okay.
I'll let you know in the group. That MTFF and
And
MTFS
the
will have an additional column tomorrow. So whenever you want to buy stocks or futures, you can just wait for that buy or sell signal. If you get to buy, then that means it is a
yeah,
good, very, very good opportunity. So it is, you are looking at strong buy condition, you are looking at RSI, you are looking at strength, everything, and then this is populating. These are good ones for buy, this is good one for sell.
and regarding the alerts, there are so many alerts for the M and PPI price per the right.
You don't need
What are
right
top
all,
alerts should
only create that strong buy, strong sell on your futures level and stocks level. Whenever you receive a strong buy, strong sell, you check the table. Table also shows the same thing, then you can confidently go with.
got it? And the have been strong sell. Is there any other key alerts we should know on alerts that would give us to position ourselves to get in the trade?
Yeah, that strong buy, strong sell is good enough. If you want lower risk trades, then yeah, just that one is good enough.
Okay, okay.
Whenever you get a
And
strong buy
the
or
order block
strong
and all is
sell,
not good for.
mm-hmm.
How about the order block and the order blocks?
Yeah,
How are they?
again, all those. If you want a without too much confusion or no, if you want low risk trade, then just put strong buy, strong sell.
Okay.
Yeah. Whenever you get a strong buy or strong sell, just go and check here. Here also, if it says the same thing, then you can confidently go ahead and take the trades. So now GC is buy. So we can confidently hold it. It can go another 5 to 5.6 points up.
And how long will that hold till you get the next signal? Or
Yeah, as long as this T5 is green, you can hold it. If this is turning red, then you can close it, or you can always enable this RLM. And whenever it goes to the top of the band, you can take the profits.
thank you.
Harry, do you have any questions?
Strong buy, strong sell are coming from which one, Kishore?
Futures level manager, stocks level manager.
RLM and FLM, right?
Right.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hey Kishore, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So what do you think about the like ES and NQ, like overnight, because I know it moved so much today.
Yeah,
It's
it
gonna
will be
drop, and then
choppy.
tomorrow.
I think tomorrow it will be choppy because we had a big move today. So tomorrow, yeah, it will just move in a small range. There is no
Okay.
major earnings or no major news. So
And is there any event coming up the next week or so?
yeah, we have unemployment reports, all those things, and FOMC. I think we will be in the second week, but yeah.
So in the first week of September, we have something going on
Mm-hmm.
employment.
Yes.
Okay. Because I have two accounts I have to think of clearing. So
Yeah.
all right, thanks.
Sure. UB also we got a buy. Even if we close at market price, we will get $31.25. We closed at limit order. That means we made nearly $62 on UB. NKD drop, we made profits with NKD short. So NKD sell, HG buy, GC buy, UV buy, corn buy, wheat buy, soybean buy. Only NKD is bearish, everything else is bullish. Yeah, Ankit, do you have any questions?
Yeah, sure. I was wondering if I want to add one more window with because I have a limit of 5 tickers for the MTF window, right? So I was wondering how to add the second
Mm,
window for the same.
You can add the same indicator one more time. Go to indicators, add the indicator and change the tickers.
Oh, okay, okay. And how do I just place in the right corner? Is that options available where to place?
Yes, yeah. You can go there
The
and you can,
settings. Okay.
yeah, table
Oh, okay,
position.
bottom. Got it, got it. Okay. And the new buy and sell column you added, right? Does it reflect that green and red what we see in the T5 or this is different?
This is different.
Okay, okay.
But whenever you see buy here, then they are very, very good opportunities. Whenever you see sell here, that's a very good opportunity.
Sure, sure. Yeah,
So all these are good opportunities.
yeah, yeah. Got it. Thanks.
GC we got around 70. So I closed the GC also in small profits. So we took multiple profits with GC. So again, yeah, it has more potential to go up, but it's already 940. So, but I hope you see we are just going when whichever trend is very bullish. We are just watching those opportunities. So we made profit with UB, we made with corn, we made with wheat, we made with soybean, we made profits with NKD shorts, we made profits with copper buy, GC buy. So nearly within one hour, we made about $1,000 to $1,500 with each of the tickers. So copper is still moving good. NKD dropped a bit. Yeah, Abhinav?
Kishore, is this part of T5, this decision table?
No, no, it is MTFF and MTFS.
Okay,
That MTF stock scan, MTF future scan.
I see. Okay, okay. And Kishore, that's for annual, right? Is that right?
No, anyone. Future scan, stock scan, anyone.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Krishna, do you have any questions?
Hey Kishore, in this MTF scanner, right?
Mhm.
You have strength, okay? So, but what is like the score is 31, but for GC, but the strength is 20 something, right? But ES where the score is less, but the strength is. What does that mean? How do we relate these two numbers? NQ is more actually, it's 34, 25 and 34.
So, what is your question? NQ, what you?
No, my question was like if we check the strength, right? Strength value.
Mhm.
For NQ, the MTF score is 25, but the strength is more compared to what I see in GC, right? GC is 31, but strength value is
No, no.
20.
Always our first criteria should be score should be 29 or 31. They are
Okay,
most bullish. They should be minus 29 or minus 31. So that is our
okay.
first criteria. Second criteria is they should be above the magnetic level for bullish, below the magnetic level for bearish. And then you have RSI, strength, all those things.
So how do we look strength if we are looking into strength? What like criteria? Is it more than 20 or something? Or
Yeah,
how
if
is
it is
the
more than 20, then yeah, that means the trend will continue for more time. If it is more higher the strength, that means the trend will continue for more and more time.
no, it will continue for more time.
Right. If the strength
So,
is
so
less,
my
that
question was
means
like, yeah, related to same. NQ was 25, but the strength was showing 35.
mhm.
So,
So that means it is weak now. Strength, but it is overall dropping, right? So sellers having more strength.
oh, okay. So, but okay, it mentioned up, so I was like confused.
Right, right. You have to see what is the overall RSI. If RSI is red and strength is
Okay.
high, that
Hmm.
means sellers are strong.
Okay, got it. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it, everyone. In some time, I'll publish the changes. So basically, you don't need to write. So you can hide all the columns and just focus on the decision column. whenever you have a decision, HC very good for buy, GC buy, NKD sell. Then whenever you get a sell opportunity for NKD, you can confidently take a trade.
So Kishore,
Whenever
this
you
this decision tree will change as per the time frame, right? If you move the time frame, the
Mhm.
decision will change too.
Right, that is right. Yeah, but if we are in the evening time, we use 3 minutes. The
Yeah, but in the
decisions,
daytime it will be five, right? Five or
right,
15.
right.
Okay.
Yes, Sunil.
So the only thing we are holding is silver, right? Or at least I'm holding silver. It should
Yeah,
go up is what I'm
okay.
holding. It's 25.
Yeah,
Can
yeah. Silver should go up. Yeah, to
okay.
665670.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
took profits on everything else.
Everything else, yeah.
Yeah, silver also was in profit, but yeah, we are holding for more.
Yeah, I hope it yeah, it should go up. It's almost it's
Yeah,
at
yeah. All
anyways.
the metals are very
But
strong. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Prashant, do you have any question?
Yes, Kishore. So this change, are you going to do for the stock one as well?
Yeah, both. Yeah, both the stocks can, futures can. So you can, same thing you can do with stocks tomorrow whenever you
Okay,
want
but
to.
then my next question is if the stock is not in the list, whatever you sent us as, so will it work for those other stocks as well?
Yeah, yeah, it will.
Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah, Vinay, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore. Yeah, thanks for these changes. Quick question. So, if we have this notification and if we get the alert, right, you're saying we can directly go buy without looking top of the band, bottom of the band, all that.
No, no, you will still see T5 confluence, minimum T5 confluence.
Means
Yeah,
if
yeah,
we buy T5 needs to be green.
right,
Okay.
right. When we got a buy for GC, then T5 here it was at the bottom, so we can take it. Or if NKD, if we get a sell, then the T5 should be red. So that is the minimum con. Again, if you can always enable MTF, that is much better. So you will know where the sellers, resistance, support, all these things. But
Okay.
if you want to quickly scalp, minimum you use T5 as the confluence.
So for this NQ now we are getting weight because the RSI is red. That's why we are getting weight.
Is right. And also it is right. Overall score is positive, but your RSI is red, it is dropping. So you don't want to go against the trend and take short.
So when the RSI turns green and when buyers took the control, it will change to buy then,
Right.
right?
Right. Yeah. Then we can take long positions on NQES.
So Kishore, it's like so. I mean, generally, like you have been trading futures level. So if I were to watching futures level, I will be shorting NQ right now. So is this right now NQ is saying wait? So is it saying wait because overall trend is bullish? Is that why?
Right. Overall, NQ trend is bullish, but now it is dropping. So you are going against the trend. So sometimes it can be risky when you go against the trend.
Got you.
So there, because it is above the magnetic level. That means generally
Yeah,
buyers. Only thing is there is just a pullback is happening now because it went all the way to L5 or L6 this morning. There is a
got you.
small pullback, but again buyers will take the control.
I think it's at like resistance to I think it's at R2 or something.
Right. Sure, because you are above the magnetic level, your overall trend is bullish. But only because RSI is a little bearish, that's why it is telling, okay, don't go against the trend, wait for this RSI to become green.
I got
Then
you.
you can take, then score will become 29 or 31. Then it will say, okay, now you can buy.
Yeah,
Makes
and this top of the band, bottom of the band doesn't apply when we are like above L3 and below like R3, right? Like we can still take the trades based on the trend, even though it is near to the top of the trend, right?
No, in the evening time, because you won't have huge right, huge moves. There will be some 5-10 point move, and again it will drop. So
Okay.
that's why generally in the morning time it's okay because the move will be big. You may get 100, 200 point move on NQ.
Yeah.
So in
Okay.
So
this
like
time, but
if you watch NQ has been just dropped like maybe 15 points in an hour.
right. So
It's like
now
barcoding it.
it's better. Yeah, you take profits when it goes to the top
Okay.
because it won't just keep on going all the way up. It may go 20 points up,
I
20
think it
points,
might
and
about, yeah, because that's a huge support, I think, Kishan, that's why.
yeah,
So yeah, one last question. So for the silver, you're saying it is bullish because 1 hour, 4 hour is like bullish. That's why you're saying
right.
it will come back up.
All the metals are bullish. Yeah, silver, GC, copper. Right, you can see all small pullbacks, and then you got a pullback, went up, pullback, went up, pullback, going up. All the metals are very, very strong since 2 days.
Okay. I'm good. Thank you.
Hey Kishore, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So I'm seeing that you are trading this like Z sticker, these ZC, ZM, ZN, ZS. Like what are
Mhm.
these? These are separate ones I haven't traded before, so I just thought.
Those are commodities like corn, wheat, soybean. They move slow, but they are low risk. They don't suddenly, you don't have huge volatility. If the trend is bullish, that the trend will continue for a long time.
Means we can hold the trade, right? And the same thing will work, like price pulse and everything will work, right, for these as well, like buy
Mhm.
order, sell order, all those things, right?
Right. Yeah.
And is there any timing thing for these, or it will be all day, like similar to indices and metals?
They close little early. They close at around 1 central. So that's why generally we don't trade because sometimes if we take, we forget to close them. But in night time, you can take it because you have low risk of they will move slow, but generally you can easily make profit. Small, these are bullish now.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah.
And
Gen-
sorry, go ahead.
yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
One quick thing, sir. So on the FLM, right? FLM, I think you are giving those number as well, like 31 or SY. SY is good, right? 31, and then the PDL and PDH also shows up, right? Is there a way to hide those things? Because sometimes it just doesn't show the chart clearly. I mean, like because of these labels. Is there a way we can hide it, right?
Yeah, one
Those
is you
numbers and all that.
can go to style and you can do hide the lines or hide boxes, whichever labels you don't want, you can hide them. Or sometimes you also have like hide the previous day high, previous day low, some options like that.
Oh,
You
okay.
can
Yeah,
do.
PDH I can hide, but the label I was like just for that number, right? I don't want that number because I know that. So, I mean, like it's just my style of doing it. So yeah.
Yeah, you can go to style and you can just hide them.
One more question I have is that on the futures level manager, on the different time frames, it gives those entry targets. So sometimes it like if you change the time frame, the entry like for example, sometimes in 3 minute it will show entry for short, but 5 minute will show entry for long. So how does that get calculated?
Yeah, based on right. For example, you might be bullish for Tesla overall,
Okay,
right? But in a smaller time frame, you will have pullbacks.
okay,
So whenever in 1 hour it is, for example, right, let us say this is 1 hour time frame,
right.
then it will drop. So this will be a big drop in 5 minutes.
Got you, got you, got you, got you, got you.
In the same way, yeah, whatever big drops in 5 minutes, they are small pullbacks in 1 hour time frame.
Gotcha. So Kishore, when it says those entries in those time frame, they are dynamically, right? I'm assuming, or
Yeah,
do they like those entries like for? Can I share my screen?
you can share tomorrow evening
Okay,
maybe
that's
because
yeah,
yeah,
that's
it's
okay.
already late. Yeah,
Yeah,
Chetan, do
yeah.
you have any questions?
Sure, Gaurav. So during evening times, like typically how many contracts do you take for 150K account? Like four contracts in the evening and two contracts in morning time? Is that how you do
Yeah, based on the setup is looking strong. Yeah, I go with 3 to 4 in the evening time.
it?
But
Okay.
generally in the morning time, maximum 2. Yeah.
Okay. And Kishore, like do you average like take one contract and if the trend is going according to your expectations, you add on more? Is that how you do it, or you go with like fixed contracts?
Generally, I avoid averaging it out because when you add more and more, the risk becomes much higher.
Okay.
Generally, if I take initially itself, I'll add 1 or 2 contracts. That's it. If it is going too much against, then I'll take a stop loss and then cover it in the next 1 2 trades.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
if it is going against and if you add more, then your problem will become much bigger. And
Okay. Yeah. That's okay.
okay, everyone, I'll publish those changes and I'll inform in the group, and then you can delete and add back.
Yeah, Kishore, good.
And yeah, we are just holding silver. We'll take profits on that in some time. Good night, everyone. Talk to you later.